In today's video, I will tell you how to use titanium alloy in dark war to boost your progression and strengthen your base fast. First of all, we have to know what exactly is titanium alloy. A titanium alloy is a high-tier material used for advanced upgrades like buildings, tech research, and powerful unit improvements. It becomes more important in mid to late game. As you can see in the screen, this account is a bot level account, but I will still be able to explain to you how to use titanium alloy. The first step is to go to upgrade or research menu. First, open the building, research lab or system you want to upgrade and go into the upgrade screen. The second step is to check the requirement. If titanium alloy is required, you will see it listed along with other resources needed for the upgrade. The third step is to use titanium alloy. If you have enough, just tap upgrade or confirm, and the titanium alloy will be automatically consumed to complete the upgrade. The best uses for titanium alloy are high-level building upgrades, advanced research, and elite unit improvements. Don't waste it on early or low-value upgrades. Farm the titanium alloy smartly. A pro tip is to focus on events, mining, and alliance rewards to collect titanium alloy faster instead of relying on random drops. And that's how you use titanium alloy in Dark War. Follow for more Dark War tips and guides.